One question people have asked in our workshops many times is how can I let go? It's very difficult to let go. And the reason people are asking this question is many of us are misunderstanding the real meaning of letting go. Letting go is not about forgetting something that happened. It's not about just forgiving and still suffering. It's not about just moving on and it comes back when things have not been processed. Letting go is about letting go of the emotional patterns of the past. So, something happened, whether it is at work, in life, in general, it created an emotional response, and because it has become a pattern, we get an output out of it. We get some feeling. Sometimes we are feeling safe in just feeling bad because it makes us the victim, it makes us not responsible for what has happened. There are many reasons why we are stuck in that feeling. And letting go, for the first step, is to let go of that emotional pattern and replace it with something new, something that is helpful. Now, that will change your emotional state, your mental state. So you let go of the past state of mind and you come to a new state of mind. So at work, someone has hurt you, has not done something that was supposed to be done, and you feel you're helpless. From that helpless state, if you do something else, there are many steps to do, there are many options that you might have available. You go to a state where you can do something about that situation. So your mind has changed, your mental state has changed. And because you are doing this, you are now in a new identity. You are no more in that helpless identity. You are in charge. As an example, you could be taking lead, you could be mentoring, or you could ask for mentoring, you could ask for help, you could share help. There are many things to do, but it's no more the helpless identity. So now you have a new identity in that small situation. And as you start doing this more and more, you entirely shift your identity. So, letting go of the emotional pattern has moved on to letting go of the mental state, and that has helped you to let go of the past identity that was not helping you. And you come to a new identity. Unless you let go of one, it's very difficult to replace it with something else if you keep holding to the past. The past is a great place to visit and learn the lessons, but not a great place to live there. So, that is the real meaning of letting go. For more such tips, visit mindly.uk and get our free app and resources.